The next thing I want to show you is how to comment out code. So I want you to go to Window and go to your Actions, and here I've been fooling around with some variable types. And what I've got my same variable that I've used in my previous example, where I've got the variable name called username, and I've got the type as a string, which is highlighted by the speech marks. Now inside Flash you'll see the green. Anything you see in green is always recognized as a string, so that's Flash telling you that this is a string type, which is in speech marks and it's highlighted in green. And you see I've got another variable name which is Multimedia MSc, and the type is a string, and I've got University of Westminster, so that is now going to be loaded into their variable like so. And then I've got two trace commands. So I've got trace username, which is that variable, and trace multimedia MSc. Pretty straightforward. If I press Control and Enter, you will see that my outbox has two variables like so. Now, what I wanted to show you is how to comment out code. What we can do is we can select one of the variables and just type in dash dash, and that's given us a line comment. So I can press Control and Enter. Now I've got an error because the trace username doesn't exist. That variable hasn't ever been created, so we'll have an error. To remove this, all we need to do is just click that and remove those two lines. What we can also do is use this here, apply line comment and remove line comment. Now it will save us some time. We don't really want to keep, if we want to add multiple line comments, we don't really want to kind of keep doing this. Bit of a pain if we were working with lots of code. So what we can do is we can apply a block comment. So I'm going to select this and apply a block comment, and you'll see that is highlighted by /*, and to end and terminate this comment it's very important that you have a star and dash. So if I remove that, for example, I will have an error. So because I have not ended that line comment, that whole block comment appropriately, so it doesn't really matter where you place them. So I can go ahead and place this over here like so. Now I've properly terminated that, and we can do it like this as well. It doesn't really matter where we place those comments, so that's quite cool. And we'll be using these lots, and as you guys become pro programmers, you'll be using this commenting system quite a bit. This is always a cool way to check if some code is actually working or if it's not working, is we can just stick a line comment to knock that comment out rather than deleting it. So that's quite cool.